We've had an incredible run over the past few months, but somehow it doesn't feel complete with Apple lagging far behind the averages. Granted, the stock still bounced off its early April lows, but it's not even back to where it was before President Trump announced his Liberation Day tariffs. For the past month or so, Apple's been trading sideways, basically hugging the $200 level, while the rest of the tech sector's been roaring. And look, as much as I love Apple, the company which makes the world's best product, in my opinion, there's a reason why we own it for the Chapel Trust. I get that lack of enthusiasm. When the company reported its most recent quarter, management gave tepid guidance because of our mercurial president clearly has Apple in his crosshairs. He's threatened to hit their Indian-made iPhones with that 25% tariff because they wouldn't move their manufacturing back to the United States. President Trump was also, I think, miffed that Apple CEO Tim Cook didn't join him on his grand tour of the Gulf monarchies last month. Meanwhile, Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference early this month, it didn't yield anything groundbreaking, especially on the AI front, although I didn't necessarily expect it would. People were very hopeful. There are renewed concerns about the App Store, too, after some adverse court rulings in recent weeks. And now we need to worry about what the numbers will look like when Apple reports again at the end of July. Long story short, the stock is just plain out of favor right now. There's no getting around it. But as I've said before, I'm inclined to stick with Apple despite all the uncertainty. Tim Cook and his team have earned the benefit of the doubt. I've been around long enough to remember all the times when things have looked very bad for Apple. And in hindsight, they've all proven to be great buying opportunities, all of them. I often say, only somewhat facetiously, that I'll worry about Apple when I start seeing people walking around with Samsung phones, because everybody I know uses the iPhone.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.